Furu Sutaku, full stack. I became a full stack, Nintai patient. I became more patient. Moto Nintai Tsuyoku Narimashita. Ronri logic. My logical thinking improved. Ronri teki. Shiko uga Nabimashita. Gijutsu skill. My technical skills improved. Gijutsu ryoku ga koujou shimashita. Honban real world. I experienced real production systems. Honban kankyu o keiken shimashita. Mondai kaiketsu problem solving. Problem solving became my strength. Mondai kaiketsu ga tsuyomi ni narimashita. Baranso balance. I balance work and study. Shigoto to benkyu o ryo uritsu shimashita. Keizoku consistency. I continued studying after work. Shigoto no ato mo benkyu o tsuzukemashita. Yoru night. I coded at night. Yoru ni koodo o kakimashita. Shuumatsu weekend. I build projects on weekends. Shuumatsu ni Purojeku to o Tsukurimashita. Doryoku effort. I never stop trying. Doryoku o Yamemasen deshita. Akira mero give up. I did not give up. Akira me nakata desu. Mokuyu goal. I kept my goal in mind. Mokuyu o etsumu kokoro ni mote mashita. Jibun myself. I started believing in myself. Jibun o shinjiru yu ni narimashita. Gensai present. Now, I am a junior developer. Gensai wa junya kaihatsusha desu. Junbi preparation. I am ready for new opportunities. Atarashi kikai ni junbi ga dekitei masu. Seijuku maturity. I have become more mature. Moto Seijuku shimashita. Shinanen belief. I believe in continuous growth. Keizoku teki na Saichu o Shinji Teimasu.